Welcome to Seaduction, a luxury Leopard catamaran nominated for Cruising World magazine's Boat of the Year. Performance, spacious accommodation and a focus on outdoor living are the leading features of this model, built by Robertson and Kane and designed by Morelli and Melvin, architects of high-performance cats. The Leopard 46 features an open-plan layout with contemporary fittings and features, exceptional interior volume, excellent load carrying capacity and superior performance levels. The Leopard 46 is fully air-conditioned and fitted with a 9 kVA generator. Seaduction boasts 4 double cabins with ample storage space, and each cabin has its own private ensuite, just perfect for 4 couples or a large family. The cabins feel bright and airy with lots of natural light and hatches to let in the cool evening breezes. With a large open-plan layout and ample seating for all, Seaduction is a great entertainer. The galley is fully equipped and a delight for any culinary master. Boasting air conditioning and a state-of-the-art entertainment system, you can cruise the Whitsundays in comfort and style on board Seaduction. Outside you can relax and dine al fresco in the spacious cockpit. The hardtop provides great shade and protection. Enjoy an evening sunset and a barbecue feast. For the daytime, there is ample space for water activities and easy access to the azure Whitsunday waters. Seaduction is an easy yacht to sail under a fully covered helm station. All controls lead back to the wheel, so you will find it a breeze handling this spectacular blue water cruiser. So take time to chill out, reconnect with family and explore the beautiful Whitsundays on our Leopard 46 Seaduction.